protecting you. Any news, Father?
None, my son. I've tried. God knows how much.
I understand, Father.
Let's go to the planets. And a last request to wish to you.
Could I ask for a bottle of champagne?
Champagne?
You see, Father, I cannot afford to drink it before. I got used to the cheap Ginebra.
Anything more?
Yes, 2 glasses.
Very well.
Oh, Warren, has my aunt arrived?
No, not yet. But there's a young girl.
A young girl?
Dressing down.
Christine,
Should I let her in?
No, not yet. I'll let you know.
You wish anything, Father. I shall be just outside the door. Pablo!
For you, Father, I was thinking.
Take a rest. What were you thinking of, my son?
I was thinking. I can't believe it. That I should be here.
Be calm, Pablo. I went to see the governor for a week. A few days more at least. But he said he couldn't do anything.
Father, do you think
Yes.
what you said last night, that God could forgive me? Forgive me after all I've done?
God's mercy is infinite, my son.
My mother only talking to
Your mother? Still living?
Yes, but I hope I don't see her again.
Why?
What's the use, Father? I don't want to see her. I want to rest a little. I'm tired and a little nervous.
You want me to go?
No, not yet, Father. Perhaps your books could give you some comfort.
A visitor, Mr. Gonzales.
Champagne is here.
Thank you.
Pablo. Don't you remember me, Pablo? Andres, we were childhood friends.
Ah, yes, I remember now. You were the only friend who has come to see me. The others, my so-called friends yesterday, I haven't seen them since the trial.
Probably they're busy.
Yes, too busy evading me. But they're coming, Agnes. It's a complete surprise to me. I mean, I didn't expect you.
I just arrived from Isabela yesterday.
I'm glad you came on this.
There's a young lady outside. She should have come in first. But when she was near the door, she told me to go ahead. Is she your wife?
No. We were to be married when this happened.
But I can understand. Have you thought of marrying her?
Now?
Why not?
And destroy our future? No. I can't marry her now.
She loves you.
That's just it. She does. I've been very selfish all my life. To marry her at this moment would be the crowning point of my selfishness.
She wouldn't care.
Maybe not now. But later, yes. She'll regret it. Why make her the widow of a murderer?
Your mother's still alive?
Yes.
Is she coming?
I hope not.
I understand.
I hope never to see her again.
Your own mother,
God is a man who insists on seeing you, but he has no past.
Did he give his name?
Yes, Simeon Sereno. Time is up, Mr. Grosbeck.
Pablo. Thank you, Andres. I'm happy to die, knowing that I'm at least a friend.
goodbye. Goodbye.
I read in the papers.
I want to see you.
Don't be too hard on me, Papa. Give me the few things I've learned. I regret it deeply. And your regret. The saving of the gallows.
If I could do something.
What can you do now?
You see,
I thought you had made the end of things. That's true. But I too had been taught in my younger years by other friends.
You pretend to be my friend.
I've always been your friend, Pablo.
That's why, I suppose. You never came to see me during the trial.
How could I have known you wanted to see me? I didn't dare.
You were my closest friend. The one I trusted most. We were partners in drinking, gambling, and worse things. And you think such companionship doesn't merit the word of true friendship?
I'm leaving for Palawan tomorrow.
Palawan?
I've got a job at the leper colony.
Among the lepers.
Among the lepers. I met a nice and fine girl 2 months ago.
She's working there too.
No, she's going to live there.
Live there? But why?
The doctor told me she has leprosy.
Leprosy?
I'm going with her. That's why I decided to work there too.
You love her that much, Steven?
Not much anymore.
But why go to the extreme?
Great crimes, Pablo, demand great expiations.
But if you
Contract the disease, then I shall be happy.
happy,
We share with the joys of the persons we love, and their sorrows are our sorrows. I love this girl, but I can't share her pains yet. If I could suffer too, she would know her sufferings were not hers alone, but mine also.
forgive me, Simeon. I see that you're a better man than I am.
No, Pablo. I'm no better than you are. I'm worse. Morally. And she brought me back to life.
Kennedy Gonzalez,